This is a review for the Amaste 5-cup 40-ounce coffee maker. Before I even get started, I will say that this coffee maker, 9 times out of 10 when I use it, leaks. It usually leaks. There's usually a puddle in this area, and as you can see, there's burnt stains around the burner, and that's because every time it's done, 9 times out of 10, when the coffee is done, there's some over spillage, and I don't really know where it's coming from. I did read that in previous reviews, so I know it's not just this model or this version that I have. So really quick, to power it on, you're just gonna hit this button, which it does have these fun little LED lights that I like. I think it adds to the look of it. And then once you have it powered on, you can hit this to brew. I'll be honest, it's not really easy as to tell what does what. Like I hit it once. Is it brewing? Is it not brewing? So I just kind of had to play around with it. And then if you hit it again, it turns solid. And then from my experience, it usually works. But if it doesn't start brewing for some reason, I just hit it again and then it'll start. See, again, it just starts blinking. So it'll work, you just gotta kind of figure it out. This first setting though is 1 bean, which means it's a weaker brew. This is a medium brew with 2 beans, and then 3 beans obviously is your stronger brew. This does have a basket, excuse my uncleanliness because I need to wash it out, but it does have a basket that comes in and out, and it has a little handle on it, which I like because that prevents me from having to use coffee filters and then wasting it. It also has an indicator on the side to tell you how full. Like I said, it is 5 cups. The handle, this is a cute little detail I like, even though it does leak and it's not the best. This is a cute handle. It's like a faux wood handle, and it really reminds me, it gives me kind of the feel of a 80s or 70s diner, even a Waffle House or an IHOP today. I just think it goes with that modern look that this coffee maker has, this modern retro look.
I'm making this little coffee station in the captain's quarters of this house, and I got this based off the looks, and I haven't used it yet, but it seems good. It's a little, I didn't leave myself enough room down here, so it's a little tall, but I love the way it looks. Everything feels nice. I actually bought one for upstairs as well.
Spilled all over the thing right here. Like, this is like a mess, and it's a little lip is lifted. Oh my gosh, what happened? Wow, what a mess.
a great little coffee machine to step up your RV decor game.